In New York City, things are opening up to the point where people are now taking flight. This is a Green Goblin style in New York.
Videos of his flight 30 feet over Times Square going viral.
This is almost gonna feel like something you see in a Spider-Man movie.
All sorts of crazy things happen in Times Square, but this is one of the wildest. A man flying high, just like the Spider-Man villain Green Goblin. So who is he?
Check it out. What? Go. Let's go, Spidey. Green Goblin!
Spider-Man, come out to play.
Guys, get back. Guys. Boom, get him, Spidey. Okay, I hope that works.
No, that's definitely, no.
He's dead. You gotta get you out of here. Come on, you gotta go.
This week, we're taking over Los Angeles, California as the real Green Goblin to show you guys what the world's first folding personal aircraft is capable of and celebrate that it's finally available for sale.
Zach, aren't you a magician? Just get rid of the thing.
We need Spider-Man.
We crashed at the end of this video and broke a propeller while flying, so hang on tight and enjoy the wild ride. Thank you all for making the SkySurfer Aircraft possible by following along for the journey and liking our videos here. Next, we're headed to David Dobrik's house, but first we've got to stop by and wake up Jason Nash.
Hey Jess, where's that iced coffee we ordered?
We found a way to fly onto a small back porch and surprise him with his favorite iced coffee. The one thing David Dobrik does not have is a personal aircraft that he can fold down and carry with him on a passenger plane. So today, Jason Nash is helping me surprise him and all of the vlog squad with their own SkySurfer aircraft.
He's like, I have a feeling it's gonna be a tiger. I go, no.
It's not, right? Nothing else coming? Oh my God!
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Landing.
Bro, what? That's not the Green Goblin. What? Dude, what? Spider-Man, go! Go! Spider-Man, go! Hey, hold it back! Hold it back!
At this point, we decided no one gets more than 30 seconds of notice before the Green Goblin comes flying in on the SkySurfer aircraft. We wanted to make sure these were the best reactions we could possibly get, so Spider-Man went running in first, and here's what happened.
Start your engine. Ready, set, go!
And now for the exciting crash footage. You can see the SkySurfer aircraft start to suck in trash right here, and I completely blow out a propeller. In just a second, you'll see a crash, but not from this, since we've designed the aircraft with backup systems so you can keep flying when something like this happens.